The kids are trying on gloves and hats and seeing which ones fit, and the ones that still fit we're putting into the basket over there, getting ready for the cold weather. So Reagan's trying that one on.
It sort of fits me.
Sort of fits?
Probably fit me.
Okay. She has a whole bunch of others, though. If it doesn't fit you, we'll pass it on. We have so many gloves and hats and scarves, and all of them, okay, 95% of them are from the dumpsters, usually from like public schools when they do their lost and found and throw it away in the summertime. So that is the first task of the day. Well, they've done chores too, but before we get on to getting ready for the day and on to our Halloween festivities for today, they are sorting all of these gloves and hats, and then we'll go from there. And my darling sweet Reagan is brushing my hair. I may be the luckiest mom in the world. Kids are finishing up lunch. We've got just a couple more chores to do real quick, and then we are getting started on the gingerbread coffins. I threw away the boxes because I didn't have room to store all that, but I just got all of the necessary parts out, and we're each going to make one while watching scary movies. And in this bag are all of the frostings and gel stuff and sprinkles and other decorations. There might even be some fondant. I don't remember. But they're all those Wilton brand cookie coffin kits. Some of you will remember us finding them in the dumpsters at the craft store. So we're just going to finish up lunch. Huh, Mimi? Mm-hmm. Right? Huh, Reagan? Yep. And then it's coffin time, because today is our Halloween day.
Bro.
It's okay. We have extras.
And we have,
Just wait. Let Mommy help. Let Mommy help.
we have fondant to glue it together.
Here. Okay.
There we go.
So we'll borrow a piece from this one.
Here, are you going to do one?
Yeah, I'm gonna do one. But okay, don't break any more of them. Be real gentle. Yep, you got to break on those lines really softly. All right, here's one for Mimi to replace her broken one.
Can you please get me some of this?
And Reggie, here's one to replace your broken one. Hold on. We got to just figure out one thing at a time. So we got to take the plastic off of this because it's going to be your board.
I had a dream about this.
A dream about making these?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mine was going to be so... Wait, is this mine?
So we've got Mimi's put together, and we're using all kinds of things to stabilize it while it dries. There goes Reagan. And beware the black icing. Reagan, you got to twist the top. Twist it and make it tight.
Can you please hold this?
Mimi, will you hold that for him, please? But you need to twist the top of the bag. See, like mine is? Otherwise, the icing will come out of the top. Yeah, that's the black one. So you want to cut it on this end and squeeze it into your piping bag. But you've got to cut off a teeny bit of the end and put in your little thingy. Yeah.
That's what my mommy did.
Dun, dun, dun. All right, Mimi's is pretty much done. I just need to put a supportive layer just around the bottom like I've done around the top. And then she will be free to decorate it. Reagan's is coming along nicely. Let me see your mouth, Reagan. Lulu has gotten started on hers. Awesomeness. It's black, Reggie.
And black.
So, I slipped and I fell on this, and so that broke, so I'm gonna use that. But what I'm gonna do is, since it's broken, I'm gonna be like this, and then I'm gonna scatter, like, bones.
Which is awesome. I told her she could use one of these extras, but she likes the broken look, so we're going spooky time.
Mine so far. Mine so far. My mom put the little green.
This is mine. It's coming together.
Olivia's finishing hers up. Mariah's, it fell apart for a minute, but we've repaired it enough. We can create a really good Halloween story to go right along with that. I'm thinking the undead returning from the grave. And there is Reagan's finished masterpiece. This was a lot of fun. Yours is a masterpiece. You better believe it. Was it fun?
Yes.
Let me see your mouth. Mimi.
So, for mine, I was thinking, like, I was going to make it, like, so in the first place, I slipped, fell, and then, like, this part broke.
Right.
But then, I was trying to make it old, so I was kind of stabbing it a little bit, and that's, like, there was a little hole right here and stuff, and made it look old. But then I accidentally broke it.
Do you have black teeth too? Oh, what is the dentist gonna say? Huh?
No, I'm going to be scrubbing my teeth after this.
Teeth and hands.
And so,
Well, this is as
basically,
much as I could do.
I hot glued all my stuff together because I was getting tired of the frosting not sticking.
Understandable.
It kept falling, and I had a lot of problems with hot glue. And eventually, I got this all done.
Don't you love her drips down the side?
And,
I think they're awesome.
And so it's supposed to be like,
What about mine?
like some.
I love it, Mimi.
It's like, originally there was body in there, but then,
Now it's ooze.
yeah. And it was gonna be this green ooze, and there is green ooze in there, but I'm not gonna open it because it'll be.
Mommy, look.
And you can add some green ooze. Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
I
Mimi.
can, and I probably will add like. I kind of want to make vines
Okay.
This is gonna be
to
my
make it look like
paintbrush.
it's really, really old.
Okay.
I just wish these were like a gray color.
Can only do what we can do with what we've got. The nice thing is, all of it salvaged straight out of the bins. Talk, Mommy, talk. Straight out of the bins.